VMware Carbon Black Cloud Endpoint Standard Skills 5V0-93.22 exam dumps are the best material for you to study all the related objectives. Share some VMware 5V0-93.22 exam dumps here. 1. What is a security benefit of VMware Carbon Black Cloud Endpoint Standard? A flexible query scheduler that can be used to gather information about the environment. B. Visibility into the entire attack chain and customizable threat intelligence that can be used to gain insight into problems. C. Customizable threat feeds that plug into a single agent and single console. D. Policy rules that can be tested by selecting test rule next to the desired operation attempt. 2. An administrator is tasked to create a reputation override for a company-critical application based on the highest available priority in the reputation list. The company-critical application is already known by VMware Carbon Black. Which method of reputation override must the administrator use? A. Signing certificate. B. Hash. C. Local approved. D. IT tool. 3. An organization is seeing a new malicious process that has not been seen before. Which tool can be used to block this process? A. Policy rules. B. Malware removal. C. Certificate banned list. D. Live response. 4. An administrator needs to make sure all files are scanned locally upon execution. Which setting is necessary to complete this task? A. On-access file scan mode must be set to aggressive. B. Signature update frequency must be set to 2 hours. C. Allow signature updates must be enabled. D. Run background scan must be set to expedited. 5. An administrator wants to block ransomware in the organization based on leadership's growing concern about ransomware attacks in their industry. What is the most effective way to meet this goal? A. Look at current attacks to see if the software that is running is vulnerable to potential ransomware attacks. B. Turn on the performs ransomware-like behavior rule in the policies. C. Recognize that analytics will automatically block the attacks that may occur. D. Start in the monitored policy until it is clear that no attacks are happening. 6. An administrator notices that a sensor's local AV signatures are out of date. What effect does this have on newly discovered files? A. The reputation is determined by cloud reputation. B. The sensor prompts the end user to allow or deny the file. C. The sensor automatically blocks the new file. D. The sensor is unable to block a malicious file. 7. An administrator needs to fully analyze the relevant information of an event stored in the VMware Carbon Black Cloud. On which page can this information be found? A. Enforce. B. Investigate. C. Live query. D. Inventory. 8. A company wants to prevent an executable from running in their organization. The current reputation for the file is not listed, and the machines are in the default standard policy. Which action should be taken to prevent the file from executing? A. Add the hash to the malware list. B. Use live response to kill the process. C. Use live response to delete the file. D. Add the hash to the company banned list. 9. An administrator needs to add an application to the approved list in the VMware Carbon Black Cloud console. Which two different methods may be used for this purpose? Choose two. A. MD5 hash. B. Signing certificate. C. Application path. D. Application name. E. IT tool. 10. A recent application has been blocked using hashban, which is an indicator that some users attempted an unexpected activity. Even though the activity was blocked, the security administrator wants to further investigate the attempt in VMware Carbon Black Cloud Endpoint standard. Which page should the administrator navigate to for a graphical view of the event? A. Audit log. B. Watchlists. C. Process analysis. D. Alert triage.